So let me show you how you can blur the background of an image in Canva. So select your image and let the image fit the frame. So from here, let's duplicate the photo. So this is our second image. So it is the one that you have duplicated. So click on the first image and click edit. So from here, click see all because we want to select blur. So from here, select the whole image and increase the intensity. So from here, click on the second image and let it fit in the frame. So from here, click background remover. And you can see that we have blurred our background of the image. So to download the image, so click share, click download, click download, and wait for the image to be downloaded, and click save. So to view the photo, head to your file manager under downloads and open the image. So that's how to apply a blur on the background of an image in Canva. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.